I've got a great idea. We're gonna take the Supra with summer tires out into the snow. But first, all right guys, welcome back. Different type of video for you guys today, but check this out. We got our brand new camera here, the Sony FX30, a couple of accessories, some small rig, which I have to figure out how to install on this camera, but we are gonna be testing out this camera. Now, here's the thing. I don't know how to use this camera. I just got it. I played around with a couple settings that I saw on YouTube. That's about it. We're gonna test this on S-Log3, and which requires a lot of color correction and some color grading, which I don't know how to do. But we're gonna go out in the snow, or whatever's left of the snow, and we're gonna take out both the cars out in the snow and just test out the camera and see how it does. Will this footage be better than my old A6400, or will it be worse? I don't know, but stay tuned and find out. Oh, I'm gonna jack this up so bad. There you go. He's getting some. He's having fun. I can't blame him. This is the spot in town to do it because nobody cares. But I'm stuck. Yeah, I want to do that. Oh man, what a day. That's all right. We'll be able to get out. This isn't too bad. This part doesn't get hit by the sun, so it's still covered in snow. This part over here is starting to melt, so we'll get out eventually. As you can see, Summer Tires Club. There you go. Get some. Everyone trying to get their donuts in before all the snow melts. It's supposed to snow tonight, but there you go. All right, how am I gonna get out of this? Well, some of this is ice. Yeah, there's some ice in there. Well, slush. It's not ice, it's slush. But yeah, this is pretty much our donut spot. I mean, you know, you got people out there at the park. No one really cares. No one really said anything. Go out here and do donuts all you want. I mean. I'm stuck. All right, just way too slippery to do any real good donuts. I wouldn't really call those donuts, to be honest with you. But, oh well. Summer tires. You can only do so much. All right, guys, so it's been about a couple weeks now since I last filmed anything, and to be honest with you, I've just been learning how to do all this color grading and color correction stuff. I don't know how this video is gonna turn out, so if it turns out like crap, I'm sorry. But in the meantime, the boys are coming over, David with his GTR, and we got a special guest with an Acura NSX. So let's go ahead and do this.